back to my guys. Shout out Farside Investors. If you haven't noticed, they inflows have been quite spicy, very spicy. Not to say we're on a super long streak, but this is starting to turn into a very decent streak, with not the days being like 20 million. These are actually pretty big. Yesterday was a little bit of a slowdown at 53. We'll see what today's numbers come in. These are actually kind of weak. Fidelity 2.8 2 days in a row is weird, but we'll see. A lot of eyes are on Ethereum, and where that's going to go. And Farside right now is getting ready for the Ethereum ETFs, which is cool. And if you've noticed, the fee wars have come out, and they've been updating what the fee structure is going to be. Now, it reminds you, this is kind of nerdy, but what the SEC decided was you can have Ethereum ETFs and you can have staking, but you can't give the staking rewards back to the clients that own the asset. So what this means is all of these institutions, BlackRock, Fidelity, Bitwise, 21 Shares, they're going to be holding your Ethereum for you and staking it. And they're going to be staking tons of it. What's that mean? That they're going to make the money and pocket the Ethereum that they're getting from staking. You won't get it, but you get access to custodial security, whatever. My point is, these fees are going to be lower. I don't know if they are actually lower, but they have the opportunity to be zero. These guys can stake your Ethereum and get it to charge zero fees. And maybe we get there one day and they just pocket the percentage that is from staking and call it a day. But right now, the fee wars have started. Grayscale came out and they were originally 0.25 on the mini ETF. The full size one's a very high fee. They want to move you over to this one, obviously. Then they came out today and knocked it down to 0.15. So Grayscale's mini Ethereum Trust will have the lowest fee structure. I don't really think 0.2% is really anything worth worrying about. 2% definitely, but yeah, check that out. These are coming live. If you remember last time when the Bitcoin ETFs were flowing, we didn't really have a day yet of when it was supposed to happen. But the one thing I do remember is once these fees started getting announced, it came pretty soon. So I'd imagine early next week, if not just next week, is when this stuff's coming. That's what a lot of stuff's happening. Also, speaking of the Ethereum flows, if you guys remember, we were covering that the German government was absolutely dumping confiscated Bitcoin back on the market. Something like $200 million a day for multiple days. They killed their wallet. As they wanted to and planned to. The wallet went to zero, and they have no more Bitcoin to sell. So it was awesome. And what was kind of funny, I think it was Pixa in the Discord to post it. Someone actually sent $3 worth of Bitcoin back to their address and inscribed it, have fun staying poor. Just fun. Very fun. Anyway, moving on, since we're talking countries,